Okay, I'm sorry I accidentally stopped the video from before, but I'll just start over. We're over there playing with Miss Penny. Hi. These are the friends that are talking to me right now. How you doing, Matilda? How you doing, girl? You're a pretty little thing, aren't you? Can I see your ears? Show off them ears. Show them off. They're right on me. What are you doing, sweet Gracie? You are just too much. You're too much. Yes, you are. You're too much, Matilda. You are too cute. You're too old. You're too old. And there is Miss Ellie. Oh, we got friends running over here. Is that Hurley? Nope, not Hurley yet. Where did the Hurley bug go? He's probably getting spruced. Yes, what's going on, Miss Ellie? You're so cute. You're so cute. You're a trouble. Daisy, don't put your hand in your paw. Stop. I'm trying to video, girl. Everybody's running around. Hi. Oh, there's Hurley. Hi, Hurley. See, I'm a chunkle. I'm a chunkle. Don't you two get all mouthy. Hi, Gracie. What you doing, sweetie pie, sweetie pie? And we got a little Maggie over there. What you doing, girl? Oh, don't nibble on my toes, please. What you doing, girl? How's your day going? Did you have breakfast? Did you have breakfast? Well, what are you doing over there? Oops, sorry. Ellie, what are you doing, girl? Ellie. They're over there by Auntie Pearl's pool. I'm betting they're finding little nuggets of food that they're... Hi! What's up, cutie pie? What's up, sweetie baby doggy? I like ya. You're awful cute, furry. I promise when I'm done, we will cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. I know. I know. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. How you doing? Everybody else is kind of spread out. Ooh. We gotta take a peek over at Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae, what are you doing? Ellie Mae. Uh-oh, I made the kissing noise. I was trying to get her attention. Now I'm going to get love bombed. This is a love bomb right here. Ellie Mae, come here, sweetie. She's got herself behind the pool. She can get out. It's not a problem. And there we go. What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing, little girl? Yep, everybody's here. Hi, Leo Bug. Leo Bug. You guys are getting a lot of up-close face shots today. Oh, I think I had the wrong friend. No. This is Leo. I'm not crazy. Well, I might be crazy, but that's not the point. Isn't that right, Miss Gracie? They want cuddles. You want cuddles? You want cuddles? I think I do. There's Leo. Hi, Leo. Oh, get that foot. What's that foot doing to you? Is it a bad foot? Be careful. You can chew on the pants, but not the leg. I know I usually sit on a blanket on the floor, but I'm in the middle of doing laundry, so at the moment, Oh. Okay, let's go venture off to find somebody else. Maggie. Leo. Oh, we got friends hiding over there. Let's see if we can zoom in. What is it, sweet boy? Oh, you're so cute. You're a chubble-chin. Yeah, you are. You're a chubble-chin. You're a chubble-chin dog. That over there is Matilda. Ellie. And Gracie. Oh, we're trying to get into the fireplace. Hi, love. Hi, lovey. I know. You're too cute. They love to chew on those. I've given up the fight. I just put ones on there that they couldn't destroy. Gracie, getting nosy, are ya? Getting nosy, are ya? What are you doing, Miss Matilda? You've gotten bigger. Yeah. Hi, love. Hi, Gracie, love. Matilda has definitely bloomed. Ow, 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 don't eat my feet. Don't chew on them. No, don't chew on them. Some of our friends are outside. They love to hang out by the rocking chair. They like to chew on the feet. Sorry. I know there's all kinds of legs involved. What are you doing? And the kissy noise brings the crowd. As you can see. What you doing? Hi, Hurley. He's a trouble. Right now we're fighting over who's gonna... Get it, Matilda. Don't let him have that. Oh, Leo. Leo's like, come on. Uh-oh. We untied it. You're so cute. You just came trotting right over, didn't you, Pudgel? What you doing, Hurley? Hurley bug. Hi, guys. Hi. What you doing, Matilda? Are you back at it? What's up, Gracie? Gracie girl. Miss Maggie. We got the lady friends. And we got the Hurley bug. Hurley bug. You're moving too quick for me. I'm trying to get you not with a blur there, dude. No blur. Good boy. That's a cute boy right there. That's a handsome fella. That's a handsome fella. Hopefully they don't pull those completely out. I doubt they will because they're both tucking on each side. What, handsome? Tilty, you're such a spitfire. You're a maniac. Matilda the mouth. Actually, you're being quiet today. You're just being feisty. Are you a feisty girl? Are you feisty? Are you feisty? I think you might be. What, Hurley? What? Go get it. We got Leo and Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae! Ellie Mae! You sweetie. You're a sweet girl. Are you a pudgel? Are you a little pudgelina? You sure? Casey's sitting right here. We've got Leo and Ellie Mae. And then the rest of the crew's over there hiding behind all of the chairs for the feet of the legs of the chairs. Sorry, that's not exactly a great video. Now we're gonna see a parade. Someone trying to sweep, Dad. Hi, Pearly. Hurley! Hurley! Sweetie, meaty, meaty. Oh, right into the pearl face, sorry. Yeah, that's a sweet baby. Oh, here they come. Matt's here, so now they're going to want to get cuddled by Matt.
They want up and then they want down.
Oh, yeah. They want up, cuddle, and then down.
And then back down.
Yes, we know.
Up. A little bit of love. And then back down. Oh, you want back up again? Okay.
Yeah. So we got to go around a couple of times, Dad. Couple times. Isn't that right, Hurley bug? Hurley. Sweet little Hurley. There you spots. Hurley, you're always up in the grill. We're going to go over here because we have a friend by themselves. Yeah, hi, Ellie Mae. Okay, guys. The outside pooches are throwing a fit because they know the puppies are in here and they want to come out and play with them. And Matt and I. So we're going to have to go ahead and say goodbye for right now. Bye.